Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever catch yourself scrolling endlessly through social media or shopping online just because you're bored? Well, you're not alone. This is a common habit that many of us fall into, especially in our digital age. Today, I'm going to show you how to break those boredom habits and save some serious cash. Ready? Let's dive in. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new perspective on how to handle boredom and your finances. First, let's talk about why we develop these habits. Understanding the root cause is the first step to making a change. When we're bored, our brains crave stimulation. It's a natural response to seek out something that will engage our minds and give us a quick dopamine hit. That's when we reach for our phones, open those shopping apps, or binge watch yet another series. These activities are easily accessible and provide instant gratification. It feels good in the moment, but it's a fleeting pleasure. Now think about this. What happens after that momentary high fades away? How much money are you spending on these habits? Those small, seemingly harmless purchases can add up quickly. Those impulse buys add up. Before you know it, you've spent a significant amount on things you didn't really need. According to a study by Finder, the average American spends over $1,400 a year on impulse purchases. That's a vacation. Imagine what else you could do with that money. So how do we stop? It's all about being mindful and making intentional choices. Here are 3 powerful tips that can help you break free from these habits and start saving money. Number 1, identify your triggers. This is crucial because once you know what sets off your boredom, you can address it directly. Pay attention to what makes you bored. Is it during work breaks, evenings at home? Maybe it's when you're waiting for something or someone. Identifying these moments can help you prepare better. Once you know your triggers, you can plan activities that are more fulfilling. This way, you're not just reacting to boredom, but proactively engaging in something meaningful. Try reading a book, taking a walk, or picking up a hobby. These activities not only keep you engaged, but also enrich your life in various ways. Number 2, set up barriers. This means making it harder for yourself to engage in those bad habits. If you're prone to online shopping, remove saved payment methods from your accounts. No more one-click buys. This small step can make a big difference. You can also use apps like Stay Focused to limit your time on social media. These tools can help you stay on track and avoid falling into the boredom trap. And number 3, replace bad habits with good ones. This is about finding healthier alternatives that provide the same satisfaction. Instead of scrolling through Instagram, how about learning something new? There are so many resources available that can help you grow and develop new skills. Apps like Duolingo for languages or Skillshare for creative skills can be super engaging and productive. They not only keep you busy, but also add value to your life. Let's talk financial gains now. This is where the real magic happens. By curbing these habits, you're not just saving money, you're investing in yourself. That $1,400 you save, it can go a long way. You can put it into a savings account or invest it. Over time, this can grow into a significant amount. Imagine the financial freedom and security you can achieve. Remember, the goal isn't to cut out all fun activities. It's about making mindful choices that benefit your wallet and your well-being. Balance is key. So next time you feel boredom creeping in, take a moment, pause and think about what you really want to do. Choose an activity that enriches your life and saves you money. You'll be surprised at how satisfying it can be. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time. Stay mindful and stay financially savvy.